Hello, my name is Tom Fajfer with Avaya Serviceability Engineering Team. This video is about how to install Service Pack on message networking servers. We will first want to navigate to support.avaya.com/downloads. Enter the product Message Networking Server, choose Release 6.3. Sort on dates will bring up the latest software. Here we find the release notes and the Service Pack. If we open up the release notes, we can highlight the name and save it to a folder on our desktop for later. Then we go back to the download site and download the Service Pack. Service Pack will open up in PLDS. We have the checksum. Click download and save it to the same spot on our desktop where we saved the release notes. This part can take some time depending on the speed of the network and your connection to PLDS. Here you're going to see it increments slowly, but once it saves, we can open up the folder on our desktop and see that we have the release notes and the Service Pack saved on our desktop. Now we're going to want to log in to the message networking server. Here we'll log in as SA and then put our credentials in. Off on the left-hand side, scroll down to near the bottom with Software Management, click Software Upload. Browse where we have the Service Pack on our desktop, click Open, and then Upload Software. This could take some time depending on the speed from your desktop to the message networking server. Once the software is uploaded successfully, we will look over in the package name box, and this is everything from the release notes that we will be installing onto our message networking server. Once we are ready to install the software, we go to Software Management, Software Installation, click Service Pack, and then continue without current system backup. The system does nightly backups, so we should not have an issue here. This will show us the Service Pack installation, the remote field updates that are going to be installed, and proceed with the installation. The message networking server will be taken out of service to install the software. It's all done automatically, and the voice system is stopped, and we will start to load all of those packages we saw earlier into the system. The system is now unpackaging all of the RPMs and remote field updates and installing them. If you watch the screen, you will see some software is successfully installed, some software is the current version, so it's not installed. There are quite a few packages in Service Pack 1, but the screen will continually scroll down, and at the very bottom it will show everything successful if we've done the proper steps to this point. Once the major releases, the RFUs, are installed, we can either install more software, install hardware, or simply reboot, which is what we want to do at this point. The reboot on a message networking server will take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes depending on the server. Once the system's rebooted, log back in as SA, and we can verify that our software is properly installed by scrolling down onto the left-hand side, going under Software Management, and server software display. Or we can look at messaging software display, which will actually show us just the major releases that we've installed. Here we could see the RFUs that we just installed and match up to the release notes if you wish. Thank you for your time today. We welcome comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @Avaya Mentor. For more details or related information, please visit us at support@avaya.com. Thank you for choosing Avaya.